Hey, welcome to the Daily Dose. Let's dig into it. Hey, let's talk about the role of AI in, optimizing your business, right? Well, hey, look, we all know AI it's almost became to the point if you're not using AI, you are going to be falling so far behind that it's just crazy. So how do we utilize it to optimize our business? Well, a lot of ways. When it comes to, content creation for your business on the front end of acquisition, that's content being written, content, video content. There's all just the front end side of just customer acquisition where AI has become so important. Then going through and using AI to really make your business so much more efficient with process, right? Because we can actually create a process in minutes today compared to what we used to be able to do just by using ChatGPT and then going through and tweaking that process that it writes out for you. It's amazing. And people are all worried about losing jobs and all this. Well, I don't think it's going to ever. Somebody's got to use the AI. The AI isn't using itself. Well, yet anyway. So, I'm not too afraid of that part of it. But let's use AI in a way that supports, maintaining good employee base, so on and so forth, and use it to make our business much efficient through process. All right? Hey, I hope that was helpful. We'll see you on the next dose. I hope you found this video useful. Follow me right here on YouTube for more great content daily. Download my international best-selling book, Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone, for absolutely free at growfast.club. I say again, download my book at growfast.club for all of my 7-figure growth hacks. Get your copy now while it's still free.
There it is. Magnum. Holy moly.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Dear God. It's beautiful.